up guys, it's Nicole and today I'm doing this look. I did this look using all drugstore products. So yeah, some of the products which I do mention throughout the video is new. I've never used it before, but it turns out really well, thank God. So yeah, if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. So I'm going in with the Stylist Primer, the original one, and we're going to put that all over. Now a little bit goes a long way with this primer, which I've learnt. So while I let that set in, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Today we're going in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Pencil. Just going to brush through the brows first. Now this one is very heavy, so just gotta go light-handed. So that's the brows done. Again, you do have to go in light-handed with that, just so it doesn't come out so dark. Sometimes I notice if I'm not careful, these go actually a lot darker than what they may seem on camera, but they go dark very fast with that pencil. Now for foundation, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna use that bad boy again. For concealer, I'm going to use the Nude by Nature. It's just a liquid concealer. To set it, I'm going to go in with my usual Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, now there's a few products in this that I've never used before, so hopefully they turn out very well. I'm going to try the Designer Brands contour kit. Just looks something like this. I'm going to go in with a contour shade and hope for the best. I don't have a drugstore bronzer, but the cheapest bronzer I do have is the Mecca Max one, which is about $20, so I'm going to go on with that bronzer. For blush, I'm going in with the Physicians Butter Blush. For highlight, I'm going to use the NYX Duochrome. For eyes today, I'm going to try out this Beauty Treats box. You can see it. I got this when I was in America in Ross for Less. It was only $16 for this whole thing. Let me take the plastic off it. So this is what the inside looks like. So I think I'm going to start off with this pink shade here in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this orange shade here. I wish the packaging wasn't so bulky to lift up, but these shadows are actually pretty decent. So I'm going to go in with this shade just here, which is another orange, and just deepen this up a little bit more. You don't need to tap into it too many times to get payoff, which is really good. I'm now going to go in with this dark orange shade on the outer V. Okay, actually I want to try one of the shimmers as well, so I might just go in with one of these two or both and just dab it on the lid. Okay, that was my fault, my finger wiped it there, but like there's literally no fallout, which I'm really surprised because sometimes with cheaper brands they can be, not always but sometimes. But yeah, those shadows worked really well, they blended really well, so I'm happy with that. And for not eyeshadow, for mascara, I'm going to use the designer brand's Curl Volume 1. For lips, I'm going to use this BYS Velvet in Mystical Rose, which is probably the wrong colour for this eye look, but I can't find my other. Okay. So, that's the finished look for this drugstore tutorial review. I've never tried the designer brand's contour. It turned out really nice, which I was a bit iffy about the contour shade, but it doesn't actually look too bad. Those shadows blended really well. I'm so happy that I picked that up. I just did it on a whim, and that mascara actually works really nicely. So yeah, the mascara and the contour are designer brands again. I'm sure I've said that 3 times, I'm sorry. And this was from the Beauty Treats Beauty Vault Eyes on the prize. Is from Ross for Less. I don't know if you can get it somewhere else or online. And yeah, if you like this little tutorial review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and catch you next time.